The Raymond Emerson House, 6405 Old Carversville Road, Solebury. Rarely does a property come on the market that truly possesses exceptional design, quality craftsmanship, history, location and scenic beauty. This 18th century Bucks County stone house was completely restored in 2005 and expanded to include a 3,000 square feet wing that combines today's inspired architectural elegance and modern amenities, pairing it perfectly with the historic structure and coziness of the original antique home. Mahogany double entry doors open to a 2-story entryway leading to a stunning, sunlit open floor plan with great room, designer kitchen, cozy, intimate breakfast nook, laundry area, and powder room. The entire space is surrounded by tall casement windows, filling the rooms with natural light, while offering breathtaking views of the gently sloping wooded landscape and Paunnacussing Creek. French doors lead to a deck area, perfect for outdoor dining and relaxation. The main floor is also home to a beautiful and serene master suite with cathedral ceiling, fireplace, dual walk-in closets, elegant bath with 3-head shower, double sinks and heated towel bar. French doors from the master bedroom open to a private deck with hot tub. Walk directly into the original stone home from the main floor living area, and enter a 20 by 30 living room with fireplace, hand-hewn ceiling beams and cypress hardwood floors. This wing of the house has 2 bedrooms and a full bath upstairs, as well as a charming lower level with stone fireplace, sitting room and kitchen. Cross the threshold from the lower level back into the new wing, where you will find a large and inviting media room with stone fireplace and doors opening to a slate patio. This lower level also includes a full bath, bedroom, workshop and garage access. Expert craftsmanship is evident throughout the home. The discerning buyer will find much to admire.